Hi, this is Webkin Show with Manboy, and I'm going to go into Tiny Cool's contest for the signature Calico Cat code. There will be a link on the description if anyone else besides her is watching this and may want to enter. So let's start the show. Oh yeah, we're doing the show.
Hi, my name is Cutie Pie. I'm Peanuts, Garden, and I'm Lucky, Cutie Pie's son.
If you're wondering why Cutie Pie has a son, her husband is in the Navy, or Army, not here. Hi, I'm Walden, the president.
And I'm Dark Knight.
So, now it's time for Cutie Pie Goes to Jail. Cutie Pie, you're under arrest.
What? Why?
You stole Peanuts' ball.
What? She did.
But I have no ball. It's right under you. Really? Ah! I do have a ball. Yes. Yes, you do. How long? Why? And what's your last words? My last words are... Run! Ow! I will get her right after my nap. Are you gonna get my ball or what? Ah! Sorry. Sheesh. You're under arrest. My name's Bobbin. Where's my mother? Wow. I think she's going cuckoo. I think I am. I got failed. Nice talk. I guess I have to. Wait, where's the lawyer?
The lawyer is me.
Da da da. Son, you're the lawyer?
Uh-huh.
Da da da. Da da da. When are we gonna get that thing not broken? When are we gonna get that thing fixed? Got it!
Da da da!
Never mind! We will come back after these messages. Toothpaste! That's the message. Buy it! Wow, those were some messages. Nice job, Garfield. Why, thank you. Oh, brother. Okay, how long do I have to go into jail?
Are you letting me choose?
No.
Oh.
Well, how many rubber bands were on the ball? I don't know.
I'll go count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
10 hours later.
27!
You have 27 days in jail.
No!
We gotta get that thing fixed! Stop! Oh, where's the jail? All I see is this. Hey, dudes.
No, don't throw it!
Location? jail. Inside jail.
So all we have is this light?
Yep. How long have you been in here? No, really. I don't know. 10 years. Dun dun dun. I guess she was tired. Don't do that to me. Do you know who I am?
Yeah, you're a jailbreaker.
No, I'm not.
Well, didn't you steal like 6 potatoes out of a grocery store?
Yeah.
So that makes you a jailbreaker.
No, a jailbreaker is who breaks out of a jail.
Oh. Then you're a thief. There.
Sure.
Is she still awake?
It's so bright.
Da, da, da.
Dude, you're kissing me. Sorry. Stop. Time. 20. How long was it?
I have no idea.
Oh, well, it was like 28 or something. 28 days later.
No, it was 27.
Whatever. Looks like it's time for them to come out. Did you just say them? Yes, that means you too, Walden. Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!
Yeah, how long was he in there?
I don't know, about 100 years.
Seriously?
Dun, 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 dun. Ow.
Oh man, he just fixed the camera.
Sorry about that. Ah. Whoa.
That just went down there.
Yeah.
Ooh, you threw it down.
Whatever. Picture. Awkward. Oh, fresh air.
So,
I don't know.
well,
I'm hungry.
there's a snack bar over there.
Really?
Yeah, they have aquamarine pie.
Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Ow. You were joking, weren't you? That's out. Well, time to visit my son. Son! Mom, get off of me! Nilla! Mom, is this gonna be on YouTube? Mm-hmm.
The end. I hope Tiny Cools likes it. Bye! I forgot! I got my ball back! Woo! I forgot! I got my ball back!
I'm hungry.
There's a snack bar over there.
Really?
Yeah, they have aquamarine pie.
Oh!
3, 2, 1.
Ow! You were joking, weren't you? That's out.
My name's Robin. Where's my mother?
Wow. I think she's going cuckoo. I think I am.